Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today I stopped at my local AAA and I noticed they have these car escape tools, which is really cool. It's a seatbelt cutter and a window breaker, all in this little guy, and you can put them in your keychain. Prices range from like $9.95 to almost a couple, like 13, 14 bucks. I'm a member of AAA, so I got this for 12 bucks. As you see, non-member is $12.99. But been looking to get one of these for a while because actually I always carry with me is I actually did a review on this knife. Get this focus here. That actually it's a knife. It has the hole punch and the seatbelt cutter, so I always kind of have this with me. And this is my Smith & Wesson knife that I actually have that has this, which was one of the things I really like about this knife, having all in one. But this is something good to have. Sorry, I got that other shot there. Good to have when you could just put in like your door frame, maybe like tape it to something. So God forbid you do have to use this, it's good to go. But we're gonna open this up like right now. And what we're going to do is I'm going to pause the video and we're going to come back after I get it open. All right, guys, I have it out of the packaging, and then just quickly put the key ring on here because I will be putting this on my car keys because my car still has the keys. We have to put it into the ignition. Now, granted, the newer cars are all, keyless. You just have the key fob. You just have to have it in your pocket, or a lot of people just take it and put the key fob in their cup holder or wherever it might be. But my wife has one of these, and she attaches to her key fob that she has with her in her pocket at all times. But these are great to have because my wife does not carry a pocket knife like I showed you at the kind of the beginning of the video. She actually has this with her on her key fob, and she usually keeps this in her pocket or in her purse, which is right there. So if she needs to access this, hopefully she never does, but it's right ready to go. But they have a lot of different colors at AAA. They have like orange, neon yellow. They have black. I think they even had red too, but they just had orange and a neon yellow. So I gave my wife the neon yellow and I took the orange. But pretty much to use this, if you had to, you just pull it. You have your seatbelt cutter to cut the seatbelt. Then to pretty much crack the window, if you're in that situation, you'll kind of take this, put it into the corner of the window. You just push real hard at it, and this is spring loaded. See if I can get it without. Yeah, I can't use it's spring loaded, so you put it into that will spring forward. Let's see if I can do it with this. So you heard that pop. So that means that fires a little poke out to break the window. So these are very good to have. I definitely recommend buying one of these if you haven't. Put them in your cars. I mean, heck, it would not bad to give them as like a little Christmas gift. I know we're only in March right now, but birthdays, or even just to give them as gifts for people, just to say, hey, this is always good to have. So very excited to have this. I'm gonna add it to my key ring and we'll be done there. So very excited to have one of these, and we have them in our vehicles. Plus two, not just being in our vehicles, they're on our key rings and our key that we always take with us, even when we're not driving. Because if you're in a situation where if someone doesn't have one of these, or a pocket knife with the seatbelt cutter or the hole punch, this could save you and the other person's life. So definitely good to have. Let me know if you guys have had one of these, if you had to use them, if you had any successes. Hopefully you never have had to use these, but just let me know what your kind of thoughts are. And do you carry these with you, or do you leave them in your car? Just kind of let me know down in the comments section below. If you can, hit that like button, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys down the road.